So how you can use Google Map Street View on Google Maps. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join the community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So when you go to the your Google and search for the Google Street View, then you will and if you are in the India, then you will get all these articles which are saying that Google has relaunched the Google Street View feature in India after the 11 years. So here you will see all the list of the city which are getting this feature. So when you scroll down, then here you will find what is the Google Street View. So it is basically a technology feature in the Google Maps and Google Earth that provides interactive panoramas from positions along many streets in the world. And it was firstly launched in 2007 in several cities in the United States. And how this feature works. So here it is saying that the Google collects a street view imagery by driving, paddling, sailing and walking around and capturing imagery with special cameras that simultaneously collect images in multiple directions. So the images are later overlapped and stitched together into a single 36-degree image. So that's how Google Earth Street View work, and then it will provide you Google Street View in your Google Map. So when you open this article, then you will get all the cities that are getting this feature. So here the 10 cities that are getting this feature are basically Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Vadodara, Amritsar and Ahmedabad. So that's are all the cities. But the thing here is how you can use this Google Street View feature. So for this, you have to simply go to your Google Maps app, and from here you have to open your Google Maps, and for this you have to simply uninstall it from the whether you are on the Android or iOS. After that you can open it and then you can go to any of the cities where it is available. For getting this Google Street View feature, you can simply zoom in to any of the location and long hold at the place to get the Google Street View feature, and then when there is Google Street View option available, then you can see this image which is in the top with this circular arrow icon. Simply tap on that which is in the top of that image, and here you can see that you can get panoramic view of that location. So that's how you can do that. You can simply drag your fingers to get 360-degree view of that place. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you